If you're a service-based business or a fitness studio or even educational institution that offers group classes for your customers and you want to automate the bookings on chat platforms like WhatsApp or Instagram or Messenger or even Telegram for that matter, we've got an interesting solution for you. I'm Babu Munawar Basha, the founder of Whautomate platform. We help businesses automate their experience across multiple communication channels and help them boost sales seamlessly using our platform. Let's dive into the demo. Whautomate offers a comprehensive class booking module within our platform that makes it easier for us to automate the experience on chat platforms. Having said that, we are not only available on chat platforms, we also offer a comprehensive online booking portal for your business that you can get started with easily too. As you can see here on the calendar within our platform, you can see all the classes that are scheduled for the week. You can go into any of the classes to see the participants that have been booked. If you want to add participants, you have the option to add them within our admin portal as well, and you can also see if there was any payment made. If not, you can create an invoice or perform other actions that are available for you too as well. Now that we have this, I've already set up the AI booking bot as well, which is pretty simple to do. We offer a template that you can pretty much get started with easily, which is the AI class booking bot. I will go back and show you what it looks like as well. So basically it's an AI bot that is prompted to help you book classes and things like that, and we use functions using Whautomate APIs to be able to make the bookings or find the bookings of a particular person and things like that as such as well. And we've got the configuration where the model and everything is configured too. Yeah, now that we have seen that, let me go back to WhatsApp and try the bot. Yeah, I just message the staging number and it is asking how it can assist me. So let's find out if there is any classes scheduled for next week. It should look into our classes within our platform, and it is suggesting me the classes available as such. Let's go to our calendar to find out, and it has pulled the correct information with the number of participants as well. So what I want to do is let's see if I can make the booking for Zumba class. It should help me book that class, and it has actually booked, and it has not asked me for any personal details because it already has my name and phone number information. It used that to make the booking. Now let's go into the platform to see whether it has actually made the booking. So if I go in, the booked participants is 1 and it's got my details as well. Okay, now that I've made the booking, let's try and cancel the booking and see if the bot is able to help us. Let's see if it can cancel our booking. It has found our booking on the 50th. Yes, please. Yeah, the booking for 15th has been cancelled as well. Let's go find that out too. Yeah, so I'll go back and sort of go in here, and this has been cancelled too. Yeah. Now that it has cancelled our booking, pretty much it can handle the bookings and cancellations seamlessly for you and your clients, which should take a lot of workload from you. I hope you liked the class booking demo. If you want to use this AI booking bot for your business on these communication channels, do reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to assist you. And you can also sign up for a free trial at whautomate.com. The link will be given in the description as well. Thank you.